Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the nesting speed setting for the nesting feature, and this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll head back into the program here. And now when it comes to the nesting speed, you can also view it in many ways as like a quick way of spacing your shapes. There is a more advanced way we can do this where you can be precise, but if you kind of just need a generic or general type spacing, this will be a very quick way to go about it. So now in my current scene, I have this a circle shape, and as we can see here under the nesting quantity or quality, the quantity nesting, we've got 5. So if I had to go now to our nesting tool here on top by the little puzzle icon, you will see it gives us an option here called speed. Now what can happen is I'm just going to go start so we can see a nice preview here. Here we've got our stuff nested on our horizontal plane, and as you can see there, the spacing is pretty small. Now in most cases you'll probably want to keep it as small as possible, depending on obviously the material and work speed and that, but in general this will be the default. So now let's say you want to space this or even equally space it. You can adjust simply the speed slider, and then what you do is leave it at a point, you try start again, and you can kind of see where you're at. So then you can play around until you find the exact spacing that you're going for. And now keep in mind, this does not set your actual width or distance from the borders. That we'll be doing under some more advanced settings in another tutorial. But yeah, otherwise just a quick recap again. So for the actual speed, we can just use this to quickly get a generic type distance between them if they are two on each other. So there's a quick way. This does also work for if you've got multiple different shapes in here and you nest them all together. It will do the same thing where it tries to nest them all with a relative distance between them. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual speed of nesting. As we added here, you can see the effect. And then yeah, but before we go to the next tutorial, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your searching on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.